In the rugged expanse of the Sonoran Desert, about 35 miles northwest of Tucson, the earth opens up into a series of massive terra amphithators. This is the Silver Bell mining district. From the air, it looks like a monument to human industry, but the story here is a century-long cycle of boom, bust, and technological evolution. Despite the name Silver Bell, the true king here is copper. While the early miners chased silver and lead, it was the red metal that would eventually turn this remote mountain range into one of the most resilient mining operations in Arizona. The district's history dates back to the mid-1800s. By the turn of the 20th century, the town of Silver Bell was a thriving community of thousands. It had a railroad connection, a school, and the rowdy atmosphere typical of the Old West. In those days, mining was a different beast. Men worked underground in dark, dangerous shafts, following narrow veins of high-grade ore. By 1930, the easily accessible minerals were gone. By 1930, the easily accessible minerals were gone. The Great Depression hit, and the town of Silver Bell essentially vanished, becoming one of Arizona's most famous ghost towns. But Silver Bell wasn't finished. In the 1950s, the Sarco, the American smelling and refining company, turned. They realized that while the high-grade veins were tapped out, the entire mountain was saturated with low-grade copper. The era of the open pit had arrived. Today, the operation consists of 4 main pits: El Tiro, Oxy North, Silver Bell, and West El Tiro. But if you look closely at the modern facility, you won't see a traditional smelter. In 1997, Silver Bell became an hydrometallurgy. Instead of melting the rock, they use a process called XU. They leach the copper out of the rock using a mild acid solution, then use electricity to plate the copper onto cathodes. This allows the mine to produce 99.9 pure copper cathodes right here in the desert, with a much smaller environmental footprint than traditional smelting. The mine sits in a delicate balance, home to ancient petroglyphs and high density of desert life. Managing a massive footprint landscape requires constant monitoring of water using traditional smelting. The mine sits in a delicate balance. 5 C's, copper, cotton, citrus, and climate aren't just history. They are active, living parts of the economy that continue to shape the land. Whether you see it as a scar on the landscape or a feat of engineering, Silver Bell is a testament to Arizona's, from a 19th century silver camp to a high-tech copper powerhouse. The bells are still ringing in these mountains. Thanks for watching.